So welcome students. इस क्वेश्चन में दिया है f of x is the minimum of 1 x square and x cube. Then f of x is continuous for all x belongs to R. F dash of x is greater than 0 for all x greater than 1. F of x is not differentiable but continuous for all x belongs to R. F of x is not differentiable at two values of x. So to decide which options are right, let us analyze this function f of x. So f of x is the minimum of these three functions. So first मैं ये तीनों functions का graph draw करता हूँ. So the graph of f of x will be the least of 1 x square and x cube. So if you draw the graph of these three functions, so a1 मान लीजिए, this is 0. So f of x is equal to 1. The graph will be a straight line. So graph ऐसा होगा, ठीक. f of x is equal to x square का graph जो है, it looks like this. It's a parabola. f of x is equal to x square is a parabola. And f of x is equal to x cube is a cubic graph. So what will this point be? This point will be 1, 1. क्योंकि x square and y is equal to 1 meet at x is equal to plus 1 and minus 1. सही. Now if you have the graph of y is equal to x cube, आपको पता है 0 और 1 के बीच में x cube नीचे होगा, इसके बाद x cube ऊपर चले जाएगा. So the graph will look like this. इसके बाद x cube will lie above x square. This is y is equal to x square. So 0 और 1 के बीच में x cube का ग्राफ नीचे होगा, इसके बाद x cube का ग्राफ ऊपर उठ जाएगा. And on the negative side the graph will go on like this. So this is the graph of y is equal to x cube. So the straight line is the graph of y is equal to 1. This parabola is the graph y is equal to x square. This cubic function is the graph y is equal to x cube. Now I want the minimum of these three functions. So आप देख सकते हैं on the negative side when x is less than 0, आपको y is equal to x cube is below the remaining two curves. So y is equal to x cube is the minimum. And आप देख सकते हैं 0 और 1 के बीच में भी, 0 और 1 के बीच में भी y is equal to x cube is the lower graph. So y is equal to x cube आपको माइनस इन्फिनिटी से लेके 1 तक काम करेगा. And after 1, what is the minimum graph? The minimum graph is y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So आपको minimum of 1 x square and x graph चाहिए तो. So आपको graph कैसे होगा? If you draw a rough graph of this, so till 1, the graph will be the graph of y is equal to x cube, and then after this, the graph will be a constant. So this is the graph of the function f of x. So x square कभी minimum नहीं हुआ, so x square का effect नहीं पड़ेगा. So either 0 और minus infinity से 1 तक, my x cube is the lowest of all the three, and after 1, y is equal to 1 is the lowest of the three. So आप if you try to analyze this function is continuous for all x belongs to R, which is right. So इसमें problem नहीं. F dash of x is greater than 0 for all x greater than 1. This is wrong because f dash of x is equal to 0. So ये wrong है. F of x is not differentiable but continuous for all x belongs to R. So continuous तो है but एक point पे not differentiable. So this is not differentiable but continuous for all x belongs to R. F of x is not differentiable at two values of x. No. F of x is not differentiable for only one value of x. केवल x equal to 1 पे differentiable नहीं. So options A and C are the right options. Thank you.